Stop scrolling. You're going to want to see this. We are making exotic, delicious turkey burgers. And here's what you're going to need. Of course, ground turkey. This is so lovely. 93% lean fat, only 7% fat. That is so delicious. Now, if you want to go ahead and use beef, make sure that you get lean beef, okay? So they have 90% lean, 80% lean, 70% lean, but today we're using ground turkey. All right, you're gonna need some cheese, okay? So I'm using mild cheddar cheese, and remember to keep everything healthy. You can also use 1% milk fat cheese, 2% milk fat cheese, or even fat-free cheese, okay? So you're gonna need that. What else? Oh, squash. Oh yeah, you're gonna need squash. Yay. Oh, I love these red onions. You're gonna need a red onion. All right, what else? Ooh, minced garlic. You're gonna need that. All right, if you don't have minced garlic, you can use garlic powder. Okay, all right. Also, we're gonna be using, you guessed it, barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce, okay? So make sure you find your favorite barbecue sauce. The one that I'm gonna use, it is apple brown sugar. Yummy. All right, now, oh yes, you know we have to have the mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Did you know that mushrooms are a natural diuretic, meaning that it makes you relieve yourself of water retention? Isn't that awesome? Great. Now, you're gonna need a beautiful, beautiful orange. Yes, you will. Oh yeah, I know you're wondering, what the heck are we gonna do with this orange? Well, you're gonna find out. You gotta stay with me. And of course, we need lettuce. What is a burger without lettuce? All right, so you need that. Now, I only have 3 types of seasonings. Very easy. Salt, pepper, and my go-to, my all in all, my Morton Nature's Seasons. Okay, no MSG. This has garlic, pepper, and salt. I love this, okay? If you can find this in the store, good luck. Whenever I go to the store, I have to buy 2 or 3, literally, because this stuff flies off the shelf. So that's what you're gonna need to make this exotic turkey burger. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare everything for us so we can get cooking. I have everything prepared for us. So here we are. Now take a look at this. Right here you have the squash. In the middle I've cut the oranges. Now here's a tip. You know, oranges are very, very juicy. So what you can do is put the oranges that you've cut up, that you've diced up, put them in a paper towel to kind of drain off the excess moisture. Okay, so that's what I did for this. And then over here we have the mushrooms. Look at that, so delicious, right? Okay, yes, all of this is going into our turkey burger. I told you it was going to be exotic. Oh, you didn't know you liked exotic things like that. All right, so I have our turkey, our ground turkey, and I have the onions here. Now we are going to caramelize the onions, okay? Because the onions are going to go on top of the turkey burger when it's all finished. Now, I'm going to go over the measurements. So I'm making 2 servings. I'm going to make 2 hamburger patties, okay? 2 turkey burger patties, all right? And they're going to be kind of thin because I'm going to cook them on top of the stove. But if you want to bake it in the oven, then you can make your patties a little more thick. So I have the ground turkey here. I use about 1.5 cup of ground turkey. And for this right here, I used 1/4 cup, okay? And of course, for the seasoning, we're just going to do pinches, and you can season it to your liking and to your taste buds. So yeah, that's what I have. I do want to mention that the minced garlic, because the minced, the minced garlic. Oh, that sounds a lot more sexy. The minced garlic, I use 1 teaspoon because I love garlic. So, but you don't have to use that much, okay? Like I said, it's to your liking. All right, so let's go ahead and get everything mixed up. Yes, so like I said, everything. You know what? For a minute, I was going to be bougie and use this spoon to scoop up everything. But guess what? You can look absolutely wonderful in the kitchen, okay? You looking at this, you can look absolutely fabulous in the kitchen and still get your hands dirty. So let's get our hands dirty. All right, so here's the squash. You know what, though? I'm ahead of myself because I'm so excited. I'm so excited about getting my hands dirty. What I do want to do, though, I want to go ahead and put some of the seasoning on the squash, okay, and on the mushrooms. But I'm not going to put it on the oranges, all right? So let's get that started. I'm going to use a pinch of salt. A pinch. Boom. Boom. Maybe a little tiny more for this one, all right? Boom. And of course, you know my go-to, Morton's. Woo, pinch, pinch. Oh yeah, wonderful. All right. Oh, pepper. You gotta put a little pepper in there. Put a little pep in your step. Put a little pep in your step. All right. So here's a little bit of pepper. Boom, boom. All right. And I'm not gonna put the minced garlic on this. I'm gonna put it in the meat. So let's do that now. Yeah. Here it is. I'm using all of it because I love garlic. I'm telling you, do you know how many things of toothpaste that I have? I do. I love it. Garlic is like my staple seasoning. What's your staple seasoning? I know everybody has like a staple seasoning, okay? So there's some minced garlic. I want to season this turkey right now. Let's do that. Let's get it all in. So here we go with the Morton. Oh yeah. So again, it's going to be to your liking, okay? I love Morton's, y'all. Oh my gosh. Here's some salt. Make it rain. Not too much though, right? Not too much. And some pepper. All right, so yay. Pep in the step, pep in the step, pep in the step. Cool. Now, let's get our hands dirty. Who says that cooking can't be fun, okay? Listen, you do not have to be absolutely perfect in the kitchen, all right? So while I put this in here, I'm going to talk to you guys. You don't have to be perfect in the kitchen. As long as you are trying, you can give it a go. And guess what? You can do this more than once, okay? So don't be afraid to go in the kitchen. You do not have to be perfect, okay? It is just all about having fun and looking good while you do it. Remember, healthy is the new, get in there, sexy. All right, so I'm putting everything in there. All right, that's good. So I want you to take a look at that. I've put all that in there. Yes. Now I am gonna mix it up with a fork. A little baby here. Oh goodness. Uh-oh. Get in there. I'm not wasting any mushrooms, okay? None. All right, you know what? I'm about to get my hands really dirty. Do you agree with me? Oh, this feels good. This feels good. Okay, I don't care. I'm getting my hands dirty. Who cares? Look at that. So I'm mixing everything in. This is smelling so good. I'm making sure I'm getting all the squash, the mushrooms, and the oranges. Oh yeah, the oranges. And the orange is going to give it a nice sweet flavor because remember, we're going to top this off with barbecue sauce. Oh my gosh, just imagine when you bite into that burger, it's going to be so delicious. Now I'm looking at this and this is easily going to be more than 2 burgers because like I said, I want to keep mine kind of thin because I'm going to be cooking this on top of the stove. So I'm not going to be making very thick patties. So yeah, I'm going to have some left over, which is wonderful. Okay, because I got lunch or dinner for tomorrow. Holla! All right, so let's get this all mixed in. The oranges are in there. Let me smell it. Oh my goodness, so delicious. All right. So once you have everything mixed in, and like I said, if you want to be bougie, be bougie. I still love you. Go ahead and use your fork or spoon. And if you want to get your hands dirty, guess what? I still love you too. All right, so here we go. That's great. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make my patty, and just to kind of give you an idea, and I want to make sure I get these oranges in here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my patty. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. The orange is in there. The squash is in there. The garlic is in there. Oh yeah. Yep. I want mine a little thin. Like I said, I'm cooking it on the stove and I'm super hungry, so I don't have all day to wait. Okay, so as you can see, the patty. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, so that's one. Let's go ahead and get another one. Yes, lovely. Are you making your patty? I know you're watching, but next time, go and play this video. You could be replaying this video and making this. So, make your patty, and again, this is a little thicker than what I want. Like I said, if you're grilling it on the grill outside, of course it could be maybe a little thicker. If you're baking it in the oven, you could do it a little thicker. I'm gonna actually fry this on top of the stove, so I don't want my patty to be too big. Oh, doesn't that look like a heart? Is there a heart? Is there a heart in the house tonight? All right, so, oh, I'm so happy about these oranges, you all. Yay. Taste buds are gonna be jumping out of your eyes when you eat this. All right, so this is my second one, okay? So I'm only gonna do two. All right, so I'm ready to go ahead and get these turkey patties on the stove and start caramelizing our onions. Yay, so come on, let's go ahead and get on the stove. The exotic turkey burgers are cooking. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the onions. So for this, I'm gonna go ahead and use vegetable oil, okay? So we're gonna caramelize the onions. Let's put a little bit of oil there, a little bit of oil there, maybe a little more here. All right. All right, so this is cooking. We'll check back in a little bit. All right, so as you can see, the onions shrunk in size. So I was able to move them all to one compartment. And so did our exotic turkey burgers. But that's okay because I didn't want them to be too thick because I knew I was cooking them on the stove. Plus, I am super hungry. And now it's time for us to put on our barbecue sauce. All right, yay. Wow, I see the chunks of apple in here. Wow, this is really nice. So here is the barbecue sauce that I use, and as you can see, it is apple brown sugar, and there are chunks of apple in here. Yummy. We did it. We were sweating it out in the kitchen, cooking so much. But we made it through. You made it through. Yay. And here is our delicious treat. It's a pretty cool slider, don't you think so? Right? So this is so healthy. So let's refresh. This is ground turkey with squash, mushrooms, and oranges inside of here with minced garlic. Oh my gosh. And then we caramelize the onions, top that off. And I do have two options here. So one has the cheese and one does not have the cheese. So you pick whichever one. And you can have the pickle or the orange. Or you can have both. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this. Isn't this exotic? Well, it's not exotic until we take a bite, right? All right, let's take a bite. But we have to do it very exotically because this is the exotic turkey burger. So full of flavor. Here, take a bite. Yeah, take one. This is so good, you all. You have to go and make this, okay? Go and make this and tell your friends. Share this video. Share, share, share. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm gonna need a hot second, excuse me. I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you next time right here in the kitchen. And remember, healthy is the new sexy.